And I'm just dusting that across the lid, right into the inner corner right here, and then I'm kind of fading it out. I'm not bringing this color all the way to the brow, I'm keeping it on the lid right here, and I'm fading it out here because we're going to do a darker color in the crease, obviously. Same on this side. So you can see that there's a little tiny bit of sparkle in this, but it's more of a shimmer than a very frosty. It's not frosty. There's a big difference between shimmer and frost. You want something that's a little bit more of a satin as opposed to full-on frost. Now let's talk about time frame. While you're working with, this is why we do a trial. So you'll get to know your client's face, any issues or problems that she has. That's the time where you can work all of these things out. So you're going to talk about her skin preparation and maintenance.